Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing in and confirming your profile so purchases link to your records. Once signed in, browse the DLP test series list and prioritize batches by start date and subject coverage. Make sure to view sample papers and test cadence to match your study plan. If a batch shows multiple price tiers, choose the one aligned with your access needs. You want immediate access after payment, so double-check mobile number and email to receive confirmation and login tokens. Next, pick a secure payment option and enter your details. Use saved cards or UPI for speed. Once done, apply any promo code and verify the discounted total so you know exactly what posts to your account. If EMI is offered, review tenure and interest percentages before committing. Make sure the delivery mode is set to portal access or digital materials, and confirm the email where invoices and access links will be sent. This avoids delays in getting your test series. Finally, open your dashboard and verify that the DLP test series appears under My Courses. Sync important test dates to your calendar and download any PDFs. If access is missing, contact support immediately with your order ID and payment screenshot, because that speeds resolution. Make sure to mention the 24 to 48-hour support window. If the content or batch differs from what you bought, request a refund or switch per Allen policy, and retain all confirmations until issue closure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.